Ready to unleash your inner artist? Let's create some jaw-dropping wall art. You will need canvas, acrylic paints, paintbrushes, painter's tape. Step 1. Prepare your workspace by laying down some protective covering. We don't want any paint on your furniture. Step 2. Use painter's tape to create geometric patterns on your canvas. Get creative. Step 3. Apply acrylic paint in your desired colors within the taped areas. Make sure to cover all the spaces neatly. Step 4. Once dry, carefully remove the tape to reveal your design. Voila! Tip: use a sponge brush for smoother paint application. It makes a big difference. Now you have beautiful wall art. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more DIY tutorials. Happy crafting!